Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel templates step by step. Open Excel and go to File, then New. Type a search term like budget or invoice or browse categories. For online options, use Microsoft templates or trusted sites, then download and open the file. I will show how to edit fields, change styles, and save as a reusable template so you can reuse it across projects effortlessly. To download templates, visit trusted sources and use clear search terms to narrow results. Look for file type labels like XLSX or XLSM and avoid unknown formats. Preview templates to confirm they include needed fields and read descriptions for compatibility notes. Always scan downloads with antivirus and open files in a protected view if unsure. I will show how to save a copy and test formulas, customize templates by adjusting headers, formulas, and styles to match your needs, then test calculations for accuracy. Use Save As and pick Excel template to store it in the Templates folder so it appears under Personal Templates. Consider adding custom properties and locked cells to protect structure. Finally, backup templates to cloud storage or a shared drive so you can access them from other devices or share with teammates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.